Hi all and welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll be running through invoice management on the BEF platform. In today's scenario, we're assuming that a user who submitted a bid in an auction has had their bid accepted. You might recognize this account with the tutorial bid management, where we submitted a bid to purchase 10,000 units at $15,000. Now, in this scenario, that bid has been accepted by the seller, and 5% of the bid value, which is $750, has been transferred to the seller, and 5% of the units bid for, in this case 500, have been transferred to this account. We can verify this by navigating to the My Assets tab, where we'll see the assets in the account. We'll also have been sent an email with the invoice in it. Now, this invoice outlines the remaining amount of US dollars that need to be paid to cover the remainder of the bid. We can also view this by navigating to the My Invoices tab here. Now, this tab will only become visible when at least one pending invoice is related to your account. Now, when clicking on My Invoices, we can see two different invoices. Now, one is for an issuance of carbon credits, and then we can see the invoice related to this auction and our bid. And we can see that the amount owed is $14,250, which is the bid value minus the 5% that's already been paid. We can also view the invoice by clicking View here. Now, to pay the invoice, what we need to do is first deposit funds into our account, and we can do that through the My Balance tab. And once we have the appropriate number of US dollars in the BEF account, we can then click the Pay button here. Now, once we click this, we can confirm the amount due and the due date, click that we accept the BEF terms and conditions, and then we need to input our password and PIN. Once ready, we'll click the Pay Invoice button here. Now, whilst this request is processing, do not refresh the page. Once your invoice is paid, you'll receive an email with confirmation. And if you go to the My Assets tab, you'll see that the remaining units related to your bid all have been transferred and received into your account. And that's it. That is the invoice management process on the BEF platform.